I ordered this quad switch plate set. It's for the rocker style switches. It comes like this, just wrapped in simple plastic, and it does have the screws included. It also has instructions, which I don't think we'll be needing. But here is my outlet without the switch plate cover on it. This is a new construction, and we picked the darker outlets on purpose to go with it and complement the look well. So I'm going to put it on and then I'll show you what it looks like. This bronze color goes great with the old world theme that we are going with, but there are other colors available as well. And there's the finished product. It's a really nice option to give your home a little extra something other than builder grade plastic switches. I just think it looks really nice. I love the beading detail here, and also each point has a little extra detail. It's basically a bronze oil rubbed, but then it has some copper on the edges. Highly recommend this product. Great value and a great way to add a little extra something to your home.